Mama Teresa Nyabukomoke, led by Senator Onyonka. I know a few members of the family and the sisters to Onyonka, Brother Chimi, and the others. I also know Dr. Kenga, whom I have known for many years, and Gladys, the wife to my friend Balosi Getugi. We have come to join you to say Paul for the demise of your dear mom and dear sister, and to eulogize a great woman. From the eulogy and the history we have about the deceased, this was a lady who was a human being. She opened her doors to the less fortunate. She paid school fees for those who could not pay. These are the people Christ was saying, if you look after the list of these, my brethren, then you are indeed a son of Christ. We say Paul Sana to what has happened. We are with you in prayers as you lay your mom, your sister, and the rest of the family. We say Paul Sana. I'm happy we have come here together with very many leaders here. Let us all think about what this country requires of us. The status quo must be disturbed. It just can't go on the way it is. Thank you very much.
Say it as only a judge could say it. Finally, very finally, I am still an African child